Welcome back to Michelle's Blackstone, you keto rebels. This is our taste of tailgating, and today we are gonna griddle like a champion and make a keto crunch wrap. Let me show you how. All right, guys, while the griddle is warming up, let's get prepared. Let's shred up some cheese. I have the Cabat habanero and then some Colby Jack because I couldn't decide. So let's just shred them both up. It's cheesy. Cut up the lettuce using the dark matter utility knife. This is one of my favorites. It's made by Spaceman. Let's brown our hamburger here. I have a pound of Angus. I'm just gonna throw it down, chop it up. So I have some sugar-free taco seasoning. I made this up myself. If you're interested in the recipe, just comment below. I think I'm gonna use about, let's do 2 tablespoons, a little bit of water, and let's mix this up. Now that our meat's done, let's put it in a bowl so that way we can assemble. Let's assemble these. I have the carb balanced burrito shells. What we are gonna do here, I'm gonna take some hamburger and put that down. Let's put a little sour cream in. I have the spicy sweet chili Quest chips. This is gonna be our crunch. Let's add a little shredded lettuce. A little bit of pico, and then our mixture of cheese here. Take your shell and just slightly fold in on all directions. And then this is the side that we're gonna start with on the griddle. Start this way. Repeat the process. All right, guys, let's give this a little flippity flip here. Toast the opposite side. And they are almost done, ready to eat. These beauties are done. Let's pull them off and eat them up. All right, guys, let's give these keto crunch wraps a try. For all my taco lovers out there, this one's for you. This is Taste Tailgating, and I'll see you guys back next week.